Alright, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with another video. You already know. So, we're in old Project OJ. So, if you have 79 and like 94, 95, I think they quit making them a 94. I don't really remember. Bronco, and y'all have this center console, y'all know how bad this sucks. Sorry, got an Allen key right there. Anyways, y'all know how bad this center console sucks. Like, straight up, vitamin water bottle. Yeah, exactly. Just falls. So, I have a link to these down below. It's like a poker table insert, boat insert. I don't really remember, that was dumb. But these just, there's a video. I've seen it on Facebook. If I can find a way to get it and put it in the video, I will.
78 to 91 Ford trucker Bronco, you probably have one of these center consoles and you probably hate it. Why? Because your cup holders are way too small, nothing fits, everything's falling over. They're basically useless, so we came up with a really easy and good and cheap solution. So you're gonna go on Amazon, you're gonna pick up these cup holder inserts. These are for like a poker table or a boat. All that matters is that they are 83 millimeters on the inner diameter. You'll get yourself a 3 1/4 hole saw, and that 3 1/4 hole saw, you're just gonna go in and you're gonna cut out that crappy little cup holder and make yourself a couple big old holes in your center console. So this thing is gonna cut right through there. And then I say 3 1/4, not 3 1/2, because 3 1/2 is gonna be too big for this cup holder. So 3 1/4 is the magic number, and then a little bit with a die grinder or a Dremel. You're just gonna give yourself a couple of little passes there, and that's gonna give you just the perfect fitment for your cup holder to slip in. Then you'll take your cup holder, you'll get in there, see it's nice and just a snug fit. You'll drop that in there, take a Sharpie, but you see now it can't sit flush because it wants to hit. So you take a Sharpie, you'll mark your little areas right there and there, and then here and here, you'll mark it up, and then you'll go over to the bench grinder or over to a belt sander, whatever it is that you have. You'll grind off those edges, make them smooth, make them nice so they're not sharp and they're not cutting anybody, and what you'll be left with is something like this with your nice little edge here and here so that it can fit in, and it can drop all the way down and nicely. And then boom, you have a cup holder that fits things. Look, your phone can chill in there. You can do whatever you need to do. So everything fits in afterwards, and it's great. And hopefully this helps you guys with your old Ford.
Make sure it's 83 millimeters across, you know, that way. And then get you a 3 1/4 hole saw. And then you're just gonna buzz it right there. He took a Dremel, dremeled it out a little bit, made a couple passes, and then he took it to the grinding table to flatten this out, which y'all see. I'll do one, you know, how you do it and all that, and then I'll show y'all the after. So I'm gonna get the rest of my stuff together because I still need to go get my drill and a Sharpie and all that, and I will show y'all. So give me like 2 seconds. All right, so got everything together. I feel like that's a pretty decent angle. As my drill actually works properly. Should be okay. So here we go. Ooh. To be honest with you, I do not think. Alright, change of plan. Now here we go. So this is what happened. What did I just do with it? I just threw it. I don't know. When I found it. Oh, damn, dumbass. Alright, so this is, I'm sure I got caught. So this is what happened. This arbor bit that it comes with, it's not long enough to do what I needed to do. So I had to get another one that actually, it actually hits. So now let's try this one more time. Sorry about that, y'all. Did not mean to make y'all fall. Alright, so putting a plastic bag under there was not smart at all. Still got freaking plastic everywhere. So did not think that one through. So let me fix that. Alright, so I am gonna have to take the Dremel to it. So let me go get my Dremel and we'll get back to it. Alright, so I got my Dremel together. I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all the strands. I hadn't really got that far. But yeah, now all he said was just take your Dremel and make a couple passes. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, she getting there. Just a couple more passes. So this is a dirty job. Yeah, see, there we go. Oh, I didn't even have to really. Oh yeah, that's snug. Alright, now it's hitting. Do not judge me and my marker. Here, here, there, and there. Now I'm gonna take these to the grinder. I mean the bench grinder we got. And yeah, I'm not gonna show y'all that because y'all obviously know how a bench grinder works. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back with y'all. Alright, so first one's in. Actually don't look too bad. Now let's try the vitamin water. Oh my god, look. Ain't going nowhere now. Look at that. That's so much better. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. And then I will show y'all the after, pretty much. Damn, y'all had something on y'all. That's the after. So much better. I mean, kind of does look good with a little chromas inside. That's it for today. You know, just small interior install. I'm also gonna put a link down below for people who, if you have kids that's in a car seat and you have a pre-80s vehicle, please excuse me. There's a little bracket right there that goes under the seat, and then the buckle's hooked to that. That's under, you know, comes through the seat. I'll also post a link to that down below as well, because that has been a lifesaver, especially having, you know, a kid that's in a car seat. So you know, just something else to think about. So that's it for today. I'm out. I'm gonna bring the air compressor out here and blow out the Bronco with all the daggone plastic shavings. So but yeah, that's it. I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Peace.
And I am here to stay right now, so don't call it a comeback.